I know, too many of you probably think, yo, I'm too ugly to ever get a date. I'm here to tell you, you can get a date, I don't care what you look like. And look, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna start off the video telling you, you have to recognize the importance of looks. Anybody that tells you, yo, as a guy, you don't have to be attractive is straight up lying to you. Attractive guys win. Chads get the girl. That's the reality of life. Yes, you'll see one ugly guy here with an attractive girl. Yes, anomalies do happen, but for the most part, the average, girls want attractive men. That's why I devote my channel, my life to making dudes look better, showing you how to hack the system so whatever genetics you were given with, you can level them up. And I've told you time and time again, there's no ugly men. There's only lazy men. I have a whole video on this, yo. I've been on my self-improvement process for 10 years and never stops. Right? You never stop. You'll always constantly level up and better up, and there's always going to be a new hair trend. There's always going to be more PRs to hit in the gym. There's always more money to be made. There's always more charisma to add. Yo, level up. It is important. 2, reframe your mind. Insecurity about being ugly or not being good enough is straight up kryptonite for men. Think about it. How fun can you ever be on a first date if all you're thinking, I'm not good enough. I'm so lucky to be here. Man, she probably thinks I'm weird. She probably thinks I'm ugly. You probably are going to act like a doofus the entire night. I need you to reframe your mind, right? Every time you talk to a girl, every time you take a girl out, yo, she already said yes. There's already interest. Now you should be thinking, yo, this girl's lucky I'm out with her. I could be out with anybody else. I could be making money. Right? Reframe your mind. And I'm not telling you to treat her like ass or think of her less than. I need you to put yourself in a power or confident position so you can loosen up. Now you feel good. You feel in your element. You're feeling in your zone. 3, stick to a proper hygiene routine. You need to understand most men are a mess. And that's a good thing. Because their bar is set so low that if you're a groomed, hygienic, handsome dude, she'll notice. She ain't going to be used to that. Right? You pull up with your skincare done, your skin's glistening, your beard's on point, you got a fresh cut, you're wearing some crazy fragrance. Yo, game over. Mesmerized. She hasn't seen this level of care on a man before. And here's the thing, look, it can get expensive, a grooming routine, but that's why with Heat Grooming, I wanted to simplify it for men. Right? Where with our shower bundle, which is our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, I ingrained it with high-end oils from France. So every time you showered, you stepped out smelling already like a high-end fragrance. So boom, you just bypassed the whole step. You saved yourself money by using quality shower products that also hydrate your skin, that also thicken your hair. Yo, I'm thinking about everything here. I want you to be on point, including that if you subscribe, if you click right now and subscribe to our shower bundle, I'm not only going to take 50% off the first month, I'm also going to deliver it to you every time you need it, so you never go back to the crappy stuff you used to buy at the supermarket that wasn't treating your skin right, nor was it making you smell good. It was making you smell like a little boy's locker room. I'm not even stopping there. Yo, we're about to drop about 7 new products with Heat Grooming. Listen to this. This is crazy. I don't even think any subscription has ever done this. We currently have, I don't know, like 2,000 or something, 2,500 subscribers to the shower bundle. We also have the hair care bundle. We have a bunch of bundles, but just the shower bundle. So if you are subscribed already, you're good. If you haven't, I would if I were you. Not only are you going to get 50% off today, every time we release a new product, you're going to get a product free. Any product that's under $100, you're going to get for free, which is crazy because the bundle is less than 100. So you're basically getting a product every time we release it for free. You don't have to pay extra for it. You're getting first dips on it. And everybody else is going to have to pay $100 for it. You're getting your shower bundle plus a new product because I want you to be as well groomed as possible. I don't even care about profits. I want you to look and feel great. If I were you, I'd sign up now. Bro, if you guys want to check out that shower bundle, it'll be linked down below. 4, fix your photos. Every girl you meet today, or 90%, 95%, will be online. Tinder, Hinge, Bumble, Instagram, TikTok. Yo, it'll be through DMs. It'll be through a dating app. It'll most likely be online. Your photos are pathetic, right? Your fishing photos, they gotta go. The photos with horrible angles in the car, they gotta go, bro. And look, I'm gonna give you a few free tips. I'm not telling you to hire a photographer because you don't want it to be super well done and edited. That looks off too. It looks like you're catfishing somebody. Easy. 1, your phone, it needs to be eye level. This is where you take pictures. 2, expose the jawline, right? That looks good. 3, find natural lighting. Don't shoot against the light. Use the light behind the camera so it can highlight your skin and make it glow. And finally, number 4, make sure the background isn't messy. Clean up the room. Clean up the car before you take that picture. Those simple tips right there will take your pictures from a 2 to a 7. That's simple. 5, force yourself out of the bubble. You are in a mundane, repetitive bubble where you go from work, home, home, work, school, work. And before you know it, it's 2022, almost 2023. COVID happened now almost 4 years ago, 3 years ago, and you still have done nothing. Right? Because you fall into this mundane, and it's worse for the people that work from home. The guys that work from home, you're literally home, 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 supermarket, home, 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 supermarket. That's pathetic. Force it. No girl's gonna just come to you and be like, yo, you're the love of my life. That's not gonna happen. It's not a fairy tale, right? You have to go out. Go to the parks, go to the malls, go to the bars, go to the libraries. I don't care. Go wherever people are congregating, where you see a bunch of people and start talking to girls. Yes, it's gonna be awkward. I'm telling you, you're going to feel terrible. You're going to feel nervous, clammy palms. The first couple times, you're going to feel like an idiot. It's going to happen. But you're going to force yourself out of that cocoon. On top of that, put yourself out there, right? Social groups, activities, hobbies. There's a bunch of Facebook groups for literally every type of activity you could think of. Join them. Start meeting people in different hobbies. You have to force it, which ultimately rolls us to number 6. Don't focus on one. The mistake that most of you are making, especially if you're already ugly, is that you're putting all your bet, all the money, all the time you have on one chick and hoping that she just changes her mind and starts loving you back. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You look desperate, and I guarantee you're acting desperate. You might think you're not, but she sees it. She sees that. She can smell the desperation. Even if you have a girl you already love, you think, man, this is the one. I don't care. Keep working. Keep going out, keep talking to girls, keep going to social events, keep DMing girls, until it is solid with that girl, that you guys are boyfriend and girlfriend. Then you can drop everything else. But until then, stay connected, bro. Stay connected, because that desperation, that's what's keeping you single.